Hey you guys, it's Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Welcome to my first short. I'm making it a short because I'm going to be unbagging the March Ipsy bag. Let's go to the disappointment. Let's not mind my nails because I have not redone them since the Killstar video. Here's the bag. It says Power Moves, big whoop. You get the monthly card with all the blah, blah, blah of what you're getting inside. Oh, look, it's some leftover Christmas hand cream. I can always use a hand cream at my desk, so I will probably hang on to this. I mean, who knows? At least I don't have to buy another 99-cent one. What? Can you get any smaller than this? It's an eye cream from First Aid Beauty. I have a couple moisturizers from them, so I guess that's cool. How about this is the item that I actually chose as my thing? This is how bad the bag sucked that I chose this, a lip mask, out of everything. So I am definitely keeping that, but Lord. Oh look, it's the Date Blush, which I got in the January bag, which I also gave away as a freebie in one of my Macari sales. So looks like this one's gonna go into Harris for you guys. Then it looks like we got a little eyeshadow palette from Complex Culture. It's a Fresh Start eyeshadow palette. She's kind of cute. Oh, okay. Little basic bitch quad. I'm probably not going to keep her either. I'm going to put her into Harris so you guys can have this one back as well. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you have a chance to win all this makeup. Woo! I just want to say that after all of that disappointment, I ordered a Marc Jacobs palette off of Macari and the seller was selling it for $10. I also received that today, and I just want to point out that for $4 less than what I paid for that Ipsy bag, the seller sent me a brand new Marc Jacobs face palette, which includes blush, highlighter, and bronzer, and it still has the TJ Maxx tag on it for $19.99. Remember, I only paid 10 bucks, but she also sent some skincare samples and a set of lashes. So I would say I'm better off with Macari than Ipsy. But I love getting presents in the mail, so I'm probably gonna continue to torture myself. Anyway, thanks for watching. Love you, bye.